something. Oh yeah, I gotta find everyone else. Oh, they've probably been hiding for a while. I better find them. Wait. How did I not see you? Go sit over there. Okay, I'm gonna go see Mr. Stark. Yeah. Back here one more time. Mario! Go sit over there. Ooh. Who do I have left? I got all the Avengers that came. I need Toad and Goofy. Hey, Goofy! Yeah. Toad won! Yeah! Yay! Hey. Wait a minute. Wait. What? How did that? What? Ow! What? Don't. Uh-oh. Okay, well, I found everyone. Yeah! We only have 3 days left of our vacation. No, we only have today. And then we leave in the morning. So we better use today as a good time. Yeah. Make the ground shake, don't you. Thirsty. I'm bored. I will just go to bed for a little. Yeah. Me too. Everyone says me too. Okay, everyone, good night. Even though it's not nighttime.